Attention please. Let me ask you something. Why do some business explode online while others keep posting, keep promoting, keep praying and still hears crickets? It's not luck, it's not the algorithm, and it's definitely not because the market is too saturated. It's marketing mistake. And today I am breaking down 5 marketing mistakes you must avoid if you want to grow your brand, build authority and actually make sales online. If you are a young entrepreneur, content creator, coach or business owner trying to grow in 2026, this video might save you years of frustration. Make sure you watch till the end, because mistake number 5 is the one most people fall to, most small businesses. Let's get into it. Number 1, marketing without understanding your audience. This is the biggest mistake I see. People try to sell to everyone. Listen carefully. When you speak to everyone, you connect with no one. One of the biggest lessons from building a story branding is this: your customer must be the hero, not your product. Most brands talk about we are the best, we have quality, we are affordable, but your audience is asking, does this solve my problem? Does this understand my pain? Is this for someone like me? If you don't deeply understand their fears, their desires, their frustration, their language, your marketing will always feel false. Fix it. Spend more time researching your audience than designing your logo. Number 2, focus on selling instead of providing value. If every post is buy now, limited offer, DM to order, you are not marketing, you are begging. Modern marketing is value first. Look at brand influenced by thought leaders like Gary. They teach before they sell, because here is the truth: people don't buy from strangers, they buy from people they trust. Value builds authority, credibility, loyalty, and loyalty builds income. Fix it. Use the 8-20 rule: 80% value and 20% promotion. Teach, inspire, educate and entertain, then you can sell. Number 3, ignoring personal branding. In 2026, people don't just buy products, they buy people. Even if you have a company, your face, your story, your voice matters. Look at Elon Musk, look at Steve Jobs. Their companies are powerful, but their personal brands amplify everything. When people trust you, they trust what you say. If you hide behind your logo, you limit your growth. Fix it. Show your journey, share your lessons, document your growth. Your story is your competitive advantage. Number 4, inconsistency in content and messaging. You post for 1 week, then disappear for 3, then come back saying big things are coming. Consistency beats intensity. The YouTube algorithm and every other platform rewards watch time, engagement and consistency. Even creators like Mr. Beast built their empire through obsessive consistency and improvement. Marketing is not about motivation, it's about system. Fix it. Create a content calendar, batch your content, commit to showing up even when you don't feel like. Momentum creates visibility, and visibility creates opportunity. Number 5, not studying data and analytics. This is the worst. You cannot grow what you don't measure. If you are not checking click-through rate, audience retention, engagement rate, conversion rate, you are guessing, and guessing is expensive. Marketing is creative, but it is also strategic. The most successful brand tracks numbers like investors. Fix it. Review your analytics weekly. Double down on what works, cut what doesn't. Data removes emotion from decision making. In conclusion, let's recap from the beginning. 5 marketing mistakes you must avoid. Number 1, not understanding your audience. 2, selling instead of providing value. 3, ignoring personal branding. 4, being inconsistent. 5. Ignoring analytics. If you avoid these 5 mistakes, your growth will not be accidental, it will be intentional. And remember, marketing is not about being loud, it's about being clear. It's not about chasing customers, it's about attracting the right one. If this helped you, comment below growth and tell me which mistake you have been making. I'll read every comment. Subscribe if you are serious about building wealth, authority and influence the smart way.